Welcome to Sanskrit learning series. Today we are going to see lesson number 2, Ruchira, standard 7. Durbuddhihi vinashyati. Yes, Durbuddhihi means foolish. Vinashyati is perishes. So foolish perishes. Asti Magadha deshe Pullotpala nama Saraha. Magadha Deshe means in the kingdom of Magadha. Pullotpala nama Saraha. Saraha means pond. So the name of the pond is Pullotpala and the kingdom name is Magadha. There in the kingdom of Magadha there is a pond called Pullotpala. Tatra Sankata Vikatau Hamsau Nivasataha. Tatra, there. Sankata Vikatau. There are two swans. Hamsau means two swans. The names of the swans are Sankataha and Vikataha. Nivasataha means live. So there two swans by name Sankataha and Vikataha, they live. Kambugriva namakaha tayoho mitram ekaha kurmaha api tatraiva prativasati sma. Kambugriva namakaha. Here Kambugrivaha is the name of the tortoise. Tayoho mitram. Tayoho mitra means their friend. Ekaha kurmaha, one tortoise. Api also. Tatraiva, there itself. Named Kambugriva was also living there. Atha ekada dhivaraha tatra agachan. Once dhivaraha means fishermen. Tatra, there. Agachan, they came. So once fishermen came there. Te akatayan, they told. Vayam shvaha Matsya Kurmadin Marishyamaha. Vayam means we. Shvaha tomorrow. Matsya Kurmadin. Marishyamaha means we will kill. We will kill tomorrow. Matsya means fish and Kurma means tortoise. We will kill the fish and the tortoise of this pond. Etat Shrutva Kurmaha avadat. Etat Shrutva means having heard this, Kurmaha, tortoise, avadat, said. Mitre kim yuvabhyam dhivaranam varta shruta. Mitre means, oh friends, have you heard the words of the fisherman's conversation? Adhuna kim aham karomi. Adhuna means now, what can I do? Hamsau avadatam. The two swans told. Prataha yad uchitam tat kartavyam. Prataha means in the morning. Yad uchitam, what is appropriate? Tat kartavyam, that we can do, we will do in the morning. Kurmaha avadat, the tortoise told. Maivam, maivam means ma plus evam, maivam. Not so. Tad yatha aham anyam hritam gacchami tatha kurutam. Do something so that I move to a different pond. Hamsau avadatam, the two swans told. Avam kim karavava, what we can do now? Kurmaha avadat. Aham yuvabhyam saha akasha margena anyatra gantum ichchami. Kurmaha, the tortoise, replied. It said, Aham, I, yuvabhyam saha, with both of you, akasha margena, the sky route or the aerial route, anyatra, somewhere else, gantum, to go, ichchami means wish. So I want to go to somewhere else with both of you through the aerial route. Hamsau avadatam. Now the two swans told, Atra kaha upayaha. Atra, here, what is the plan? Kaha upayaha means, what is the plan? Kachapaha vadati. Kachapaha means tortoise. Kurmaha, Kachapaha, they both represents the tortoise only. The tortoise replied. Vadati said, Yuvam kashtadandam ekam sanchva dharayatam. Yuvam, you both of you, kashtadandam means stick. Ekam kashtadandam, one stick. Sanchva, with the beak. Dharayatam. Dharayatam means hold. So you both of you hold the stick with your beak. Aham kashtadanda madhye avalambhya ivayoho pakshabalena sukhena gamishyami. So aham means I, kashtadanda madhye, in the middle of the stick. In the middle of the stick, avalambhya, I will hold, I shall hold this in the middle of the stick. Yuvayoho pakshabalena sukhena gamishyami, and I can easily move by the power of your wings, by the strength of the wings. Pakshabalena means with the strength of the wings I can move. Hamsau akathayatam, the two swans, he told. Sambhavati eshaha upayaha. Sambhavati means this plan or this plan may work out. It is possible. Kintu atra ekah apayah api vartate. Kintu, but atra here ekah apayah, there is also one risk is there. Avabhyam niyamanam tvam alokya janaha kinchit vadishyanti eva. Avabhyam niyamanam tvam. Janaha means people. People are on looking at you who is carried away by both of us, they will talk. Yadi tvam uttaram dasyati. Yadi, if tvam, you, uttaram dasyati, if you reply, if you reply, tada tava maranam nishchitam. Tada, then your death is certain. It's definitely you will die. Ataha tvam atraiva vasa. Ataha, therefore you stay here itself. Atraiva means atra plus eva, atraiva. Tat shrutva kruddaha kurmaha avadat. On hearing to that, kruddaha kurmaha means that angry tortoise. Avadat, it said, Kim aham murkaha, am I a fool? Uttaram na dasyami. I won't reply, I won't give answer. Kinchitapi na vadishyami. Kinchitapi means I won't talk a little. Ataha aham yatha vadami tatha yuvam kurutam. Therefore, ataha means therefore, whatever I say, aham yatha vadami, what I say, tatha yuvam kurutam, that you do, you both of you do. Evam kashtadande lambamanam kurmam pauraha apashyan. Pauraha means the city people. Apashyan, they saw. The city people, they saw. What they saw? Kashtadande lambamanam kurmam. So they saw the tortoise that is carried away, that is dangling by the stick. Eva means thus. Paschat adhavan avadan cha. Then, paschat means then, afterwards, adhavan, they ran following and said. Avadan cha means and said. Hamho mahadaschyaryam. Mahadaschyaryam means mahat plus ascharyam, mahadaschyaryam. Hamho, so what a great surprise. It is an exclamatory word. Mahadaschyaryam means what a great surprise. Hamsabhyam saha kurmaha api uddiyate. Hamsabhyam saha, with these swans, kurmaha api, tortoise also, uddiyate. So it's also flying. Kaschit vadati. Kaschit means another, some other people. Vadati. Yadyayam kurmaha kathamapi nipatati tada atraiva paktva kadishyami. It is someone says, if somehow this tortoise falls, then I will cook and eat it right here. Yadi ayam means yadi plus ayam. Kurmaha. If this ayam kurmaha, if this tortoise kathamapi nipatati, falls somehow, tada, then tada atraiva paktva, then atraiva means atra plus eva, here itself, paktva, cooked, having cooked it, kadishyami, I will eat. Aparaha vadat sarastire dadhva kadishyami. Another one is telling, he said, another listener said, Sarastire. Sarastire means on the bank of the lake, on the bank of the pond. Dagdua. Dagdua means baked or cooked or burnt. Kadishyami. Kadishyami means I will eat. So another person is telling what he said. I shall bake it on the banks of the lake and eat. Anyaha kathayat griham neetva bhakshishyami iti. Anyaha, another person told. Kathayat means told. Griham neetva. Griham neetva. Griham means house. Neetva means having taken to home. Bhakshishyami, I will eat. Iti. Tesham tad vachanam shrutva kurmaha kruddha jataha. Tesham tad vachanam shrutva. After hearing their words. Tesha means their words. After hearing those words, Shrutva, having heard those words, Kurmaha kruddaha jataha. Tortoise, it got angry. Kruddaha means angry. Mitrabhyam dattam vachanam vismritya saha vadat. Mitrabhyam dattam vachanam means here it is advice. The advice which was given by his friends, Vismritya, forgot. Sahavadat, he told, Yuyam bhasma kadata. You eat the ashes. So like that, bhasma means ashes. Kadata, you just eat the ashes. With angry note, it said. Tat kshanameva, on that moment itself. Tat kshanameva means on that moment itself. Kurmaha dandat bhumau patitaha. Kurmaha, tortoise, dandat, from the stick, bhumau, on the earth, patitaha, it fell. So it fell on that moment itself, it fell from the stick and it reached the earth. Pauraihi saha maritaha. Pauraihi means he was killed by the city people. Saha maritaha means he was killed. Atta eva uktam. Atta eva uktam means atta eva uktam. Thus it is said. Suhrudam hitakamanam vakyam yo nabhinandati sa kurmaiva durbuddhi kashtat bhrashto vinashyati. So this is a Subhashitam. Let us see this Subhashitam and Padavibhagaha and Anvayaha. First, let us see Padavibhagaha. Suhrudam hitakamanam vakyam yaha na abhinandati saha kurmaha iva durbuddhihi kashtat bhrashtaha vinashyati. So, in Padavibhagaha, we have splitted all the words separately. Now we will do the Anvayaha. That is, Yaha Manushyaha Suhrudam Hitakamanam Vakyam Na Abhinandati Saha Manushyaha Durbuddhihi Kashtat Bhrashtaha Kurmaha Iva Vinashyati. So here we know that if the word is not given, to get the meaning of it, we have to include that words within the brackets. So here we have included Manushyaha. So Yaha Manushyaha means who, that is Manushyaha means person, a person. Suhrudam hitakamanam vakyam. Suhrudam means friends. Hitakamanam vakyam means well-wishing friends. Advice. Vakyam means here advice. Na abhinandati. who is not following. Saha Manushyah, that person, Durbuddhi. Durbuddhi means foolish. That person is foolish. Who is foolish? A person who is not taking the words of his well-wishing friends. Kashta Brashtaha Kurmahaiva Vinashyati. So, that foolish person, Kashtat Brashtaha. Kashtat Brashtaha means from the stick. That fell down from the stick. Kurmahaiva. Kurmahaiva means the tortoise. So, like the tortoise that fell down from the stick, this person, this foolish person who is not following the friend's advice, he will perish.